po natin batiin si Ma'am Giselle Startup Sheet, at ang members of the FINMA SJC Admin Council, members of course of our media press, our school partners from principal, from our other school partners, Justice Cecilia Munoz Palma, Quezon City High School and Camp Emilio Aguinaldo High School, and of course yung mga kapit-barangay po natin. Pagpapalain natin yung nakakasakop sa atin, si Camp Dina Monasterio, nakapon po, at Del Consejo. Sa barangay Tagumpay, Camp June Ferreras. Sa ibang barangay na kapit-barangay po natin ng Project 4, Quirino area po, nandito mo kayo, magandang umaga rin po sa inyong lahat. And of course, kung may hindi po ako nabatid na magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, and to everyone po, good morning. On behalf of Mayor Joy Belmonte and the Quezon City local government, we congratulate St. Jude Colleges for this momentous event. Education is not merely the imparting of knowledge, it is the key that unlocks countless opportunities and builds bridges to a brighter future. Ensuring high-quality education is one of the items in Mayor Joy Belmonte's 14-point executive agenda. Thus, for Quezon City government, quality education is not just a priority. It is a fundamental right that we strive to uphold for everyone seeking to learn and grow. It is through education that we cultivate minds, nurture talents, and shape the leaders of tomorrow. Education is the cornerstone of progress. It empowers individuals, families, and communities to break the cycle of poverty, to overcome challenges, and to envision new possibilities. It is a powerful equalizer, providing each person with the tools they need to pursue their dreams and contribute meaningfully to society. But education is not solely about academic achievement. It's about fostering critical thinking, creativity, and compassion. It's about instilling values of respect, tolerance, and empathy. It is about preparing our youth not just for careers, but for life, equipping them with resilience and adaptability to thrive in an ever-changing world. Mayor Joy Belmonte was herself in the academy in her early life. She was a volunteer high school teacher in Kailin, Bukidnon. This is where she saw the sad reality of life in the Philippines, most especially the flawed socioeconomic and political structures in our society that were designed to concentrate power, status, and wealth in the hands of a few, and make it impossible for those born in uncomfortable circumstances to rise above those conditions. It is therefore the goal of Mayor Joy Belmonte's administration to raise the standard of living of every few citizen by providing them with a more dignified life by providing quality education. Education is a shared responsibility. It requires the commitment and collaboration of parents, teachers, policymakers, and all stakeholders. Together with St. Jude and other private partners, we can create an environment where every child has access to quality education regardless of their background or circumstances. Let us reaffirm our commitment today to prioritize education as a cornerstone of Quezon City's prosperity and progress. Let's work together to build a future where every individual has the opportunity to reach their full potential, where knowledge is cherished, and where learning knows no bounds. So again, congratulations po sa third book po sa NCR. And we hope to have more partnerships, as I was talking earlier natin. Sana po maka-accredit po tayo sa scholarship programs na ating lungsod. Para po mas marami pong makinabang, lalo po yung mga sa barangay natin. So again, tayo lahat po ang Quezon City, kaya po ang partner namin. Yung mga barangay nandyan po to support you all the way. Congratulations po.